What are the native file system utilized by Windows Server 2016? The native file system utilized by Windows Server 2016 is NTFS. NTFS is a journaling file system that provides many features, including 1. Data integrity. NTFS uses a journaling system to protect data from corruption. 2. Security. NTFS supports a variety of security features, including file permissions and access control lists. 3. Performance. NTFS is designed for performance, and it can be used to store a variety of data types, including files, folders, and databases. NTFS is the default file system for Windows Server 2016, and it is the best choice for most workloads. If the native file system utilized by Windows Server 2016 is missing, you can try the following. 1. Check the disk management console. Make sure that the disk that contains the native file system is listed and that it is formatted as NTFS. 2. Run the chkdsk command as admin. The chkdsk command can scan the disk for errors and fix them if possible. 3. Run the sfc command. The sfc command can scan system files and replace corrupted files if possible. 4. Restart your computer. Restarting the computer can sometimes fix problems with the native file system. 5. Contact Microsoft support. If you are still having trouble, you can contact Microsoft support for assistance. If the native file system is missing, you will not be able to access any files or folders on the disk. You may also experience other problems, such as system instability or crashes.